The larger of two numbers is 5 less than twice the smaller, and their sum is 28. So, meron tayong dalawang number. So, larger number at smaller. So, ito yung dalawa nating number. At wala namang sinabi kung anong number. Ibig sabihin, ma-unknown ito. So, yung smaller, gawin nating x, yung smaller number. And then, yung larger number ay gawin nating y. Sabi dito, their sum is 28. So, kapag i-add daw natin ang smaller number at larger number, ang sagot ay 28. So, ngayon, sabi dito, the larger of two numbers, so yung larger daw, the larger, di ba yung larger ay y? Ang larger number daw ay katumbas ng, the larger of two numbers is 5 less than twice the smaller. So, smaller ay x. So, 2 times the smaller or twice the smaller. And then, 5 less than. So, sabi dito, ito yung 5 less than twice the number. 2x minus 5. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung larger number natin. And then, ito naman yung smaller. So, i-substitute natin. So, yung x, bring down lang natin yung smaller number. And then, yung y, yung larger number, ay katumbas niya yung 2x minus 5. Ayan o. So, y equals to x minus 5. Ibig sabihin, ang y ay pwedeng magiging 2x minus 5 equals 28. Ayan. So, i-combine like terms na natin. X plus 2x, 3x, bring down negative 5 equals 28. So, transposition method ang ating gagamitin. Bring down 3x, bring down 28. So, yung negative 5 magiging positive 5 kapag transpose. So, bring down 3x, 28 plus 5 equals 33. So, division property over 3. Ang value ng x natin ay 11. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So, ano yung smaller number? So, yung smaller number natin ay x. Isulat natin dito. Smaller ay x, diba? So, ang x natin ay 11. So, 11 yung smaller number. So, yung larger number naman, ang larger number natin is y equals 2x minus 5. So, 2x minus 5. So, yung x natin ay 11. Ayan. 2 times 11, 22. 22 minus 5, 17. So, yun. Dagdag natin yung y. So, yung larger natin. Ito yung dalawang numbers natin. Smaller number is 11. Larger number is 17. So, 11 plus 17 is 28. So, check.